So welcome to Python tutorial, and in this module we're quickly going to be talking about lambda. So lambda.py. Lambda is actually works like an anonymous function whereby it actually allows you to really go quick handling some functionality inside your code rather than just using the whole function itself like this. So let's go ahead and look what lambda can do. So lambda is actually produced with the word lambda. Then you need to keep using like a variable, so we can say sum equals to, okay, sum is actually not going to, so we can say add equals to lambda. Then we really want to specify the arguments that we want to, so maybe we want argument a comma b. Then what we actually want to do with the argument, what kind of expression we actually want to perform on the argument, we can say okay, a plus b, and that's all. So next time we actually want to use lambda, we can just say add, we can just pass 2 comma 3, and we should really let's just run this for us. We shouldn't be getting anything really really on the screen, I know, right? Because we definitely need to print this on the screen right here. Okay, and you can see we actually get 5, which is 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So the lambda function actually was like an anonymous function that easily allows you to do a very quick workaround without really having to stress yourself or going to stress of using the def keyword or just everything on a single line. Just think of it like that. So we can have another one which is power. So we can say p2, so power like that. Then we can proceed by lambda. So any number you actually give us, we want to return the number actually raised to power 2, so we can say times 2, so the number times 2, not really asterisk 2. There is difference between asterisk 2, which actually times 2, and caret 2. So let's just use caret 2, so we can definitely say print p2. So then what kind of number are we thinking of? So if we actually use 2, so that's 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 is actually returning. That's right. Let's just use asterisk. I'm not expecting it to definitely use return. Yeah, it's 4. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm not sure expecting to return 0, so it's 4. And if you try 8, that should be 16. Okay, so the power of our sorry, 16. Alright, that's nice. So just want to show you quick what you can do with lambda function. Oh my god. Alright guys, see you in the next tutorial.